Curious about the real-world sustainability of popular weight loss drugs? Let's weigh in. Understanding the long-term use of these medications is critical, as it impacts not only personal health goals, but also the broader healthcare system. A recent U.S. pharmacy claims analysis revealed that only 15% of patients continued using weight loss medications like Wegovy and Ozempic 2 years after starting. While these drugs showed promise by helping users lose over 15% of their body weight, they are expensive, over $1,000 monthly, and may require prolonged use for sustained benefits. President Joe Biden and public officials have criticized the high costs, suggesting a potential annual $401 billion burden if half the obese adult population used them. The study also found that many patients discontinue use due to side effects, expense, and coverage issues. Plus, those who stop often regain most of their lost weight. Stay informed about your weight loss options. Weigh the pros and cons. Consider how these insights could impact your health journeys. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and like our content for more intriguing updates and health tips.